In this video, I will show you how to justify text in WordPress. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the post page, and let's head over and edit out the text on my post. So I have this particular post right here. Click on this edit option right here in order to properly edit it. Now this will open the WordPress block editor. So here's it is. And as you can see right here, they are not justified. So what you can do is you can head over and then select them. And then once you have selected all of this, you can see this align text option. Click on this and you can see in here that they only allow text left, text center, and text right. Now in order to add the justify option, we need to head over and install a plugin. So let's head over to the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So on the plugin marketplace, what we can do is we can head over and search for a plugin that will help us with our case. So click on this right here on the search bar and search it here for Justify. Now, once you have clicked on it, let's try to search for this one. And then from in here, you should be able to see this Re-add Justify button. So let's head over and click on this. And then in here, click on this is install and activate. And after that, as you can see, it will install the plugin. We also need to install Classic Editor, so let's search in here for that. So search in here for Classic Editor. And then in here, let's search for that. And then you should be able to see some search results related to that. You can see these options and also this ones. As you can see, this is my Classic Editor. So let's head over and make this active. And as you can see right here, let's head over and activate it. And once it's been activated, let's head over right here to the posts we have. So let's head over and click on this post. And then scroll down and we have this. Click on this edit option right here. And this should open our Classic Editor on our WordPress itself. You can see it right here. So you can head over and add in here some few paragraphs that you want. So we have in here this paragraph. So we have now this justify option. So let's head over and select all of this. And let's click on this justify. And as you can see, they've been justified. So for that, let's head over and then just save this particular changes that we have made on our actual WordPress post. Click on this update and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like, or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you soon.